એવરીવન વેલકમ ટુ માય ચેનલ. આજના વિડીયોમાં આપણે ધોરણ 8 વિષય ઇંગ્લિશ યુનિટ 4 અને સ્વાધ્યાયપોથીનું સોલ્યુશન શીખવાના છે. તો ચાલો જોઈએ. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1, રીડ ધ ફોલોઇંગ પેરેગ્રાફ ફ્રોમ ધ લેસન. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1, વોટ ઇઝ ધ સોલર એનર્જી? What is the solar energy? Solar energy is the energy from the sun. Second question, what is the sun? The sun is the bright star. Third, what is the solar system? The sun, the earth and the other planets that move around the sun is our solar system. Option ma first, what is the solar energy? Energy from the sun. Option A. Second, what is the sun? તેમાં આવશે B, star. Which of the following sentence is true? So option C, the earth and the other planets move around the sun. Second paragraph, why is the Indian summer very hot? The Indian summer is very hot because the sun shines very brightly. Second question, how do we feel in summer? We feel restless in summer. Third, what do strong sun rays cause? Strong sun rays cause sunstroke. Option first, the Indian summer is long and hot. Second, how do we feel in summer? Option C, restless. Third, which of the following statement is true? B, the strong sun rays causes sunstroke. Fourth, harsh means A, strong. Which word in the paragraph means burning? Option D, scorching. Third paragraph. Question number 1, what have the scientists done? The scientists have successfully converted the heat from the sun rays into electricity. Second question, why do we need energy? We need energy to run vehicles, light our homes and streets, to cook food, to run factories and to run TV sets and computers. Third, what are the different sources of energy? The different sources of energy are coal, petrol, water, wine, etc. First, scientists have converted B, heat into electricity. Second, converted means option C, changed into. Third, which of the following statement is false? Option D, we get energy from the sun. Fourth, which of the following is not a source of energy? Option D, flowers. Fourth paragraph. Question number 1, what can be a major source of energy in India? The sun can be a major source of energy in India. Second, what have the people of Gujarat started using? The people of Gujarat have started using solar cookers, solar heaters, solar batteries, etc. Option first, which of the following statement is false? B, we can generate coal from the sun rays. Second, which word in the paragraph means produced? Option B, generated. Third, what can be a major source of energy in India? Option A, sun. Fourth, in Gujarat, experiments have been conducted to B, tap the heat from the sun. Fifth paragraph. Question number 1, what do solar heaters do? Solar heaters collect energy from the sun and convert it into heat. Option 1, device means C, machine. Second, what do solar heaters do? C, collect energy from the sun. Third, which word in the paragraph means made from? Option D, produced. Fourth, varied means option A, many. Paragraph number 6, what have the scientists done with their hard work? With their hard work, scientists have turned the ban into blessing. Option 1, illuminated means option B, lighted. Second, which word in the paragraph means new? Option D, innovative. Third, which of the following statement is true? Option A, there are some villagers where solar energy is used to light up streets. Fourth, with their innovative ideas, scientists have turned option C, ban into blessing. Paragraph number 7. First question, what is the sources of abundant energy? The sun is the sources of abundant energy. Second, for what can we use solar energy? We can use solar energy and provide electricity to remote areas in our country. First, Blank is a source of abundant energy. Option B, the sun. Abundant means option A, plenty. Third, which word in the paragraph means far away? Option C, remote. Fourth, what is the ray of hope? Option D, use of solar energy for remote areas. Question number 2. Say whether the following statements are true or false. First, solar energy is the energy from the bright planet. False. Second, solar energy can illuminate our homes. True. Third, food can be cooked with energy from the sun. True. Fourth, the sun is the only source of energy. False. Fifth, the sun is a planet. False. Sixth, the earth and the other planets have move around the sun. True. 7. The strong rays of the sun causes sunstroke. True. 8. In India, the sun can be a major source of energy. True. Third, read the story, look at the picture and write the appropriate statement below each picture. અહીંયા આપણને સેન્ટેન્સ આપેલા છે, પછી નીચે પિક્ચર આપેલા છે, એના પર આપણે સેન્ટેન્સ લખી દેવાના. બરાબર? તો ફર્સ્ટ પિક્ચર છે એમાં શું આવશે? તો કે a fox and a crane lived in a jungle. Second, the fox was naughty. Third, one day he invited the crane to his house for dinner. He gave tasty soup in a plate to the crane. પછી fifth, the plate was so flat that the crane could not eat the soup. Sixth, the crane was angry, but he thanked for fox for the dinner. Seventh, the next day, the crane invited the fox to his house for dinner. Eighth, the crane gave soup in a long-necked jar to the fox. Ninth, the fox could not eat the soup. 10th, he said sorry to the crane and promised that he would never do naughty again. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks using have, has, haven't, hasn't. First, we have a holiday today. Second, no, I haven't written this letter. Third, have you got a pen? Fourth, Farida and Raj have many kites. Fifth, yes, Gaurav has a red shirt. Sixth, has Manan a pen? Seventh, have we got a new teacher? 8. No, Sanjay and Ajay haven't come to school. Question number 5th. From the form questions and write answer using yes and no. અહીંયા આપણને એક એક્ઝામ્પલ આપેલું છે. એક્ઝામ્પલ મુજબ આપણે વાક્ય પેલા પ્રશ્નાત્મક ફેરવવાનું છે, ત્યારબાદ યસમાં આન્સર આપવાનો અને ત્યારબાદ નોમાં આન્સર આપવાનો છે. ક્લિયર એવરીવન? ઓકે, ચાલો જોઈએ. ફર્સ્ટ, અંકિત હેઝ sang a song. Has Ankit sung a song? Yes, he has. No, he hasn't. Second, Nita and Geeta have cooked food. Have Nita and Geeta cooked food? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. Third, the teacher has taught grammar. Has the teacher taught grammar? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. Fourth, the dog has a bone in his mouth. Has the dog a bone in his mouth? Yes, it has. No, it hasn't. Fifth, yes, has a new bicycle. Has yes a new bicycle? Yes, he has. No, he hasn't. 6. They have many toys. Have they many toys? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. 7. We have 10 tickets for the movie. Have we 10 tickets for a movie? Yes, we have. No, we haven't. Murli has a flute. Has Murli a flute? Yes, he has. No, he hasn't. અહીંયા તમારે પિક્ચર દોરવાનું છે અને ત્યારબાદ write the name of the planet in Gujarati. Use the dictionary to find out write their English names. તમારે ગુજરાતીમાં નામ લખવાના છે અને ઇંગ્લિશમાં પણ નામ લખવાના છે અને ઉપર તમને જે બોક્સ આપેલું છે એ બોક્સમાં તમારે ચિત્ર દોરવાનું છે. બરાબર? તો અહીંયા આપણો સ્વાધ્યાયપોથીનો યુનિટ 4 છે એનો વિડીયો કમ્પ્લીટ થાય છે. જો મારો વિડીયો ગમે તો વિડીયોને લાઇક કરજો, તમારા મિત્રો સાથે શેર કરજો અને મારી ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરજો. થેન્ક યુ.